Have to. Examples. I have to go grocery shopping. I have nothing left in my fridge. You have to call and make a reservation at that restaurant. I have to be at work by 8 a.m. every morning. She has to go home and let her dog out. I have to call and make a dentist appointment soon. They have to go to their daughter's dance recital on Friday night. We have to have our wedding planning done by next weekend. I have to give my friend a ride to work because her car is in the shop getting fixed. I have to stop at the ATM and get money before we go out to eat. I have to let my teacher know I won't be at our lesson tomorrow. We have to book our flight soon if we want to get a good price. He has to buy dog food before he goes home.